Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Brave Shields with secure ad block settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Brave browser on your computer or mobile device. Locate the Brave Shields icon in the address bar. Click on the Shields icon to open the Shields menu. You will see options for blocking ads, trackers, and other web elements. Start by selecting the ad blocking option. Ensure it is toggled on to block ads on the websites you visit. Next, navigate to the Trackers and Cookies section. Choose your preferred setting to block trackers from collecting your data. For enhanced security, consider enabling fingerprinting protection as well. This will add an extra layer of privacy while browsing. After configuring the settings, exit the Shields menu. Now, visit a website to see Brave Shields in action. You'll notice fewer ads and improved loading times. If you encounter any issues, return to the Shields menu. Adjust the settings as needed to find your optimal balance. Remember, you can customize these settings for individual sites. Enjoy a safer and smoother browsing experience with Brave Shields. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.